Hello and welcome to Madeleine's Intuitive Kitchen, and here what we have is turmeric, and we'll do the mix of golden milk from scratch. It's much better because you know what's in there. There is no item you don't like, and you can just master it to the most delicious drink. Add or omit some of the items. I worked quite a long time on it till it was like Will and I love it. And so we'll start in mixing it up. 2 cups of turmeric. Then we have 4.5 tablespoons of ginger. We have 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and then 4 tablespoons of mesquite, and 4 tablespoons of ashwagandha. Then we have a teaspoon of black ground pepper, fresh, and then 2 pinches of salt and a tablespoon of fennel. Now here you see where I have these different powders from. I love TerraSoul because it's a fair trade company and it's all organic, so to my knowledge it's clean and pure. And we start mixing this powder, and then we put the ginger in any order you like, and cinnamon, mesquite, and then the ashwagandha, and then the pepper, and the salt. I kind of try to spread it a little bit, and here the fennel. And now what we're doing, we take a whisker and whisk it up. And you can make any time a golden milk or a turmeric latte. It's so much better if you have each powder by itself. Then you have the full aroma of it. You just know what you have. This is how it looks. Oh, it smells so good. So, and we'll make a turmeric latte later. Hello, back here in the kitchen, and we're doing a really nice drink now. So earlier today we made the mix of the different spices and powders, and then I put it into here, into that container, so it's for easy taking. It's the supply of the amount what we did earlier is about between 50 and 100 drinks. So you can do less or more, however you like. And so what we have here is this mix. Then we have Hemp Hearts, and we have the homemade oat milk, which you can see on a video too. It's really delicious. Oat milk is the best, and it's so healthy. And then we have here coconut milk powder, and we have soaked dates for sweetening, and a little cinnamon for decoration. So now we'll start, and it will be so great to have this drink. Pour some of this, and then
oat milk and hemp
just
hearts.
eyeball it. It will be about like this, and then we take, I usually take like 2 of these little spoons, and then a nice heaped coconut about like 3 soaked dates or 4. It depends how sweet you like it. We don't like it too sweet, so this is about right. And since I'm at the end of it, I pour some of the water. And this is, by the way, something which is not so well known. It's a personal blender attachment from Vitamix. It's very practical because if one has this big picture all the time, it's a lot to clean. Here, this is an upside down container. So one can actually drink from it. And we mix it, not for too long. Here we have it. Let's see how it looks.
Wow, beautiful. That's the golden milk.
Yeah. And
Hemp and all those.
one can drink it just out of this, or one can put it into nice cups and put little cinnamon over it and Prost. It's so good. No, I have to lick my lips. It's really fantastically good. I think, Will, you can hardly wait.
Yeah.
It's very rich. It's very balanced, this whole drink. So, yeah, I can just say Prost, everybody, and see you again soon. Bye.